What is seasonal adjust on a hunter controller? Many of you have seen this setting right here, seasonal adjust. So what exactly does it do? Well, let's turn over there, turn the dial to seasonal adjust, and you will see that it reads 100%. What this does is it goes across every single zone that you have. So let's come over here and move to run times, and you'll see that 1 is for 30 minutes, 2 is for 15, 3 is for 20, so you get the idea with that. But look at what happens when we turn back to seasonal adjust. And let's say that it's just very rainy outside, and so we want to reduce across all stations. Simply bump this back to 50%, and you'll see back over here on run times, now it's adjusted it down to 15 minutes, to 7 minutes, to 10 minutes. Now, conversely, just look at that, and you can actually bump it up. If you've got an extremely dry season and you want to go up to 130%, then just do that. Switch it back over here to run times, and you'll see, we bumped up to 39 minutes, 19 minutes, 26 minutes. So it's adjusting them on a percentage basis, and you can do that for your seasonality across all stations without having to go and turn your run times either up or down individually. That's seasonal adjust on a hunter controller. This is Brian with My Irrigation Guy. Have a great day.